Walmart parking lot. It was hot, and there were fireworks going off all around me, so I didn't get to sleep very early. And I did research everything going on with the time capsule, and I'm going to go ahead and do it. Wasn't sure I wanted to do that or stick around. It was so hot last night when I was trying to go to sleep. I pulled this out of my cooler. At first I had it on my back. I was laying on my stomach, and then I ended up rolling over and putting it on my stomach, and it helped a lot. So but now it's warm. All of my fans were no longer working. I think I turned them a little higher, so that one quit working. This tiny little fan quit working. Moved it here to be closer to me, and that one also quit working. And then at Celsius, maybe I'll see what it looks like out there. Kind of out of luck for a shower this morning, so probably work out first, clean up in my van, and then get ready to go check out the time capsule. Okay, van is cleaned up. Maybe I'll go in and use the bathroom. Went into Walmart to go to the bathroom, and I almost got my 10,000 steps just looking for the bathroom, so that was good. A win-win. I think I'm going to be a little bit too early, but I will find a good place to park because I think it's just going to get very busy down in that area. I'm excited about the time capsule. I'm anxious to see what the car looks like, really. That's the main thing, is the car and the motorcycle. I have never seen anything like this. People are out walking around everywhere. It is like small town USA, the most amazing thing. I am just in awe right now. I mean, so many people with USA on their shirts and their clothes and their American flags, and I understand it's 4th of July, but I think there's something a little bit special here. Okay, I'm going to check out the time capsule. Look at these patriotic people.
Right. Actually, I should have taken some pictures of some.
I think this was the first car that they pulled out last year.
It's a wedding photo. Don't touch.
That is the motorcycle that was inside the time capsule.
We got on the phone, and then we knew the cop.
Looks like just more letters and packages.
And everyone is standing up to salute Old Glory in all of its glory, as we do have the color guards from the...
Yeah. These kind of phones. I could take pictures at night. I used to have...
Run a camera down in there and you'd have us look, see how things are looking. No, we can't get in there and fix it, so we knew it was going to rust.
Okay, so I talked to somebody, and the car, the actual brand new car that was put in the time capsule is at the car show right now, so I guess it's about a mile walk, or I could catch a trolley. I think I'm gonna walk. Might as well get my miles in. I'm trying to decide if I go back to my van and change my shoes. I changed my shoes and now I'm gonna make my way downtown and see if I can track down that car that was in the time capsule. Looks like the aftermath of a bunch of fireworks last night. I'm not really sure which way I should go. There's a lot of people walking that way. But there's some people walking that way, and that's the way I was planning on going. I think I'm gonna stick to my original. I'm trying to pay very close attention to where I'm going and what I'm doing, but I hope I can find my car when I'm done hunting down another car. I think it might be in front of me, the car show. Very excited about this. I have a feeling it's this one at the end. It was brand new when it was put in. I need to get my steps in, and I like walking around this neighborhood. It reminds me of running around and playing outside. It is bringing back a lot of really good memories. Well, I decided to jump on the trolley. That's where I was supposed to turn to go get in my van.
Hi. Would you like a flag?
That was my trolley. Big, beautiful tree kicking up the sidewalk. I love that. Brings back memories of my childhood. The world's largest covered wagon. It's not really a wagon.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto the I-80 East ramp to Lincoln.
John Wayne's birthplace. I'm gonna start with eating. I'm hungry and I've been cooking my lunch, hamburger and rice. It's nice and warm. I might even say hot. That's terrible. I can try this again. My butter fell right off my spoon. Ronald Reagan visited John Wayne's birthplace.
You were what, 7 the last time? So, day 7.
Never apologize, mister. It's a sign of weakness.
I just quickly went through the house, but very cool to see that that's where he was born. I am really close to my destination in Minnesota. It's been a good road trip. I have to laugh at how my behavior the night before the time capsule opening. I don't know. I was a little pouty. I think that was a lesson for me that even if I'm nervous about doing something, to be around a lot of people and crowds, being so introverted, that I should try to do it anyway. I had a really good time. I was calling it C-word. It's S-E-W-A-R-D, but I heard other people saying it and it was Seward, I think is how you say it, Seward, Nebraska. All right. Okay, Minnesota. Emptied out. It was really busy when I first got here, but it's not so busy now.